So what are the rules on YouTube? That if I'm doing a car show, I have to start behind the car, start talking, and then walk around? Can I drive your car? No. I appreciate you tuning in. My name is Chad. I'll try this again. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Chad, and I'm starting a new series of videos called Can I Drive Your Car? Now the reason I'm doing this is because I love cars like this, but I don't own one, and I want to drive them. You know, I want to experience what it's like to drive some of those cars. So I decided what I would do is just go out and start to try and drive some cars. There's plenty of resources nowadays with the internet. There's car sharing. I've got friends that have vehicles. I watch all the videos on YouTube and on TV, and I just eat it all up. I love classic cars, muscle cars especially. I love a lot of the new cars that are out there. Something different than my daily driver. Now, it's got plenty of room to carry all of my junk, which is great. It's comfortable, it's decent on gas, it's reliable. Those are all the things that I need, right? But you know, it's not so much fun. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'm on my way right now to pick up today's car. So we'll review that in just a minute. As you can see, I've got a red Camaro, and what better way to start my video series? I mean, red, that's like the epitome of sports cars. Plus, it's got stripes and stuff on it, so I think that makes it go faster. I'm not sure. I'm new to this, so I'm learning. I couldn't think of a better backdrop. We got the Indian River behind us here. We're out here at Canaveral Shores, just outside of Titusville. I'm taking a little bit of a day trip today, driving from Orlando down to South Florida, and I figured I'd make a little stop and shoot this video. But I'm not going to get into too much detail about all the facts and figures on this car, but I know it's a 2014 Camaro 2LT RS. It does have the V6 in it. I know it's not the V8, but compared to my daily driver 4-cylinder, which is fine, but compared to that so far, I'm really enjoying the drive and the feel of the car. So now there's only one thing left to do. Take it for a spin. So I've been driving around some of the back roads, and I think now it's time to actually get it on the highway, step on it a little bit. All right, here we go. This is not sport mode. Let's see. Wow, right up to the red line. Oh, that's cool. Wow, 70 miles an hour, 72. Beautiful. Wow. We ain't in Kansas anymore, I tell you that much. Holy moly. That's fun. First impressions, you sit in it, it definitely fits more like a glove. I mean, obviously that's how it's designed. We'll see how I feel at the end of the 100 miles. So far, so good. I've actually taken a few back roads to get to the highway. I wanted to find some little squirrely roads to run around on. And so far, I'm just having fun with this car. There's just no question about it. And this car itself, you know, I thought with all the gauges and stuff, I'm digging it, you know. I didn't think it would, I thought it might be distracting, but anything I need to know is right there. And I'm kind of a facts guy, you know. I like numbers and stuff, so I kind of like knowing what's going on, you know. Transmission temperature, come on, that's awesome. But the other thing I really like too, this heads-up display is killer. I think it should be standard on all cars. It's colorful, and it's right in front of me, and I'm looking at everything without having to change my view around, you know? I gotta say, you know, 2-hour ride in the car, I'm I'm feeling it a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling it a little bit, but it's not the worst ride I've had, that's for sure. Not hot rod and anything like that. It's just a feel, you know, it's just a feel. I'm just a guy in a car, and it's a fun car. It makes me feel good. It gets my, what are the serotonin levels up and all that stuff, you know? Kind of feel like a big shot. I've had this car for about 2 days now. I've been driving it around. You know, the unfortunate thing is that I'm in Florida and all the roads are very straight and flat. So I've had a couple opportunities to step on the gas and get it going in a straight line, but there really hasn't been a chance to take it around any curves or hills or anything like that. So to wrap things up, what is it about this car and my experience that I had this weekend that I really liked? Well, just to step out of my normal boundaries. Anyway, I love the car culture and I've never been a part of it. And this is a way for me, I think, to involve myself in it. Not to sound cliche or anything like that, but if there's something you want to do, go and do it. You know, tomorrow's not guaranteed, all of those cliches, and it's true, you know. But I had fun with it, and that was the key. That was the whole point of this experiment. So for me, there will definitely be more of these videos, and I hope that you guys will tune in and keep watching. So thank you so much. You see any cops?